This is the Woodford RK-HC repair kit. This is for the hot and cold wall hydrants. So we'll go ahead and get this out of the package here and go over what all it'll come with and get a couple measurements of each piece as well. So we'll come with these two rubber O-rings. Oh, these two washers here, which are just like this clear plastic material. And then the packing support washer. And then the two housing assemblies here. So we'll go ahead and get a couple measurements of each part here. These two housing assemblies will measure right at the same. A couple things about them: they are hexed here at the bottom with those internal female threads there, and then the external male threads there. So we'll go ahead and take a couple measurements. We'll start with an outer diameter here at the bottom. So the hex portion measuring right at about 1.5 inches. And then the inside diameter at the threads measuring right at 1 inch. And then we'll also get a total height. So from end to end measures right at 2¼ inches. And we'll also just measure here from this black rubber piece here to the top of the clear piece there. And that'll measure just at 1/2 inch. And then we'll measure the packing support washer. We'll get an outer diameter of both ends. So from that bottom flat side, it measures right at 1 inch. And then this end here, measuring right at 3/4 of an inch. And the total height being just above 1/4 of an inch. And we'll also measure those plastic gaskets there. Just get an outer and inner diameter. The outer diameter will measure right at 1.25 inches. And the inner diameter measuring right at 1 inch. And we can measure the smaller rubber O-ring here. And that'll measure just above 1/2 inch. And then that larger rubber O-ring as well, measuring right at about 1 1/8 inches. So once again, this is the Woodford RK-HC repair kit.